All pioneers and indeed the world is waiting for February 20th. That is when the Pi Network is going to launch. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to deposit on different exchanges. We're also going to take a look at the list of exchanges that have agreed to list the Pi Network. Then I'll be responding to the question that everybody's asking. Is it better to hold the Pi Network or to sell the Pi Network immediately it launches on any of these exchanges? Towards the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you can make money with or without mining the Pi Network. So stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're just joining, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and give a thumbs up as this helps the channel to grow. Now in this video, as I promised, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually deposit on different exchanges. Now before I do this, I'm going to show you a list of different exchanges that have already signed up to list the Pi Network. The reason why I'm doing this is so that you are best informed to know exactly the exchanges that have agreed to list the Pi Network so that you do not make mistakes or run into scammers. So I'm going to share my screen now to show you exactly how to go about this. Now, before we continue, I'm going to display the list, but as you can see, I'm on X website. The reason why I'm here is so that you can see the official announcements from the list I'm going to display. From the list, I can comfortably tell you that OKX has actually indicated that they will list the Pi Network. BitGet is one of the exchanges that have said they will list the Pi Network. Gates.io is one of the exchanges as well that said that they will list the Pi Network. We have the PowerNex, we have Bitrue, and then we have MEXC. Now, I'm going to go right through to check so that you guys can see confirmations of the list I've given to you. As you can see on X, you have BitGet here. As you can see here, it is an official announcement made on their X account. So it's not something that anybody is telling you outside. This is an official announcement made on their X account by BitGet. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to search for OKX. As you can see here, I'm going to search for OKX and see if OKX as well made this announcement official. So if I go down here, let's just scroll down a little bit and see if we can find any information like that. Okay. Now I will scroll down. I'm going as fast as I can. So as you can see, when you scroll down, you can see that OKX also officially made the announcement to list the Pi Network come February 20th. Next on my list, I'm going to go to Gate and see if we can find anything on Gate.io. Also, as you can see, Gate.io has also indicated that they are going to list, they'll be listing the Pi Network. I actually like the logo they used here. They're trying to show that Pi is breaking out of, the many years they've been mining and working on the project. I believe the ecosystem is ready. I believe there's a whole lot we need to understand about the ecosystem. So they have put out their own announcements to show that they will be listing the Pi Network. So the next one I'm going to check is PowerNex. As you can see here, this is PowerNex. So let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, PowerNex also has indicated officially that they're going to be listing the Pi Network. Okay, the next one I'm going to look at is MEXC. All right, so MEXC, this is the listing channel on Twitter or X for MEXC. So when you scroll down, I think we should have it close by. It shouldn't be that far. So there you have it on MEXC. MEXC is one of the exchanges that's already officially said they're going to list the Pi Network. So you can go ahead and check the rest of the other ones. I've put the list on the screen. You can go ahead and check the rest. Make sure that you verify from the official websites or the official channels of these exchanges so that you don't make mistakes on any of the exchanges you want to use. Now, a lot of people keep asking the question, is it better to sell or is it better to hold your Pi for an extensive period? Now, you see, this question is relative, okay? It is your choice either to sell or to hold. But I'm going to show you guys one thing so that you understand where my stand is. This is not financial advice in any way, because people will come up now to say Basic Knowledge said they should hold onto their coins or they should sell their coins. But I'm going to tell you guys at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you can actually make money regardless if you're mining Pi or you're holding so little or you're holding so much of the Pi coins. This technique does not matter in any possible way. All right, first of all, let's look at this. Now let me show you exactly how to deposit into any of these exchanges that we have talked about. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using BitGet exchange. For those of you who don't have account with BitGet, you definitely need an account to proceed. So all you need to do is register and sign up for BitGet. But if you have an account, you simply log in. Now once you're logged in, the simple way to go ahead is this. You'll be brought to your assets page. If you're using a mobile device, it's the same thing. So from your assets, what you need to do is you click on deposit, because you are transferring from your Pi wallet onto the exchange wallet. Now on the deposit page, simply come here where it says select a coin, click on it and search for Pi. Once you type in Pi, you will see the Pi network comes up. You select Pi. Below that is where you select the network of choice. Now, if you click on it, you will see that it is only Pi network that shows up. So you select Pi network, and then below that, you will be seeing the Pi address that you would need. Now, listen to this. The address you're seeing here is not the same wallet address as your Pi network address. This is your wallet address for the exchange that you are using. All you need to do is copy this wallet address, then open your Pi browser. Once you have opened your Pi browser, you select wallet. Once you select wallet, the next step is for you to key in your 24-word passphrase, or simply just unlock with your Face ID. Once you get into your wallet, you click on pay/request. Once you click on that, you will see another option that says manually add wallet address. Tap on the manually add wallet address, and then here you can key in how many Pi you want to transfer to your BitGet wallet or any of the exchanges you have decided to use, and you scroll down to wallet address and then paste in the wallet address that you copied from the exchange. Once you are done with that, you simply click on send. This will take from some few seconds to some few minutes for you to receive Pi you sent from your wallet to your BitGet wallet address. Please do not key in the wrong wallet address from your exchange. If you do that, you are going to lose the Pi that you have sent. So be careful. And the question you're asking, if it is okay to hold or to actually sell off your Pi coins, I'm going to take us back again to my screen and show you something. This is not strange to anybody. This is coin market cap. You can check this out for yourself. Nobody's gatekeeping on this at all. So I'm going to log in. Sometimes it is better to create an account and log in to use most of their features. If you look right here at the top here, you'll notice that Pi was shown on CoinMarketCap, but it was shown as Pi. Now that Pi has officially made the announcement that they are listing, what CoinMarketCap did was to actually change this to an IOU logo in order for people to understand that whatever you see right here is just the IOU trading and not the exact Pi coin. If you go here, I actually have it on my watch list. From my watch list, if I click on the Pi IOU, you could say that it gives us a data that we can work with. Now, if you look at this data very well, you will see that there was a time the Pi network actually hit an all-time high and when it hit an all-time low. Now, the Pi network is around $70. As of a day or two earlier, it actually hit $89. And as you can see here, it touched $130. Also, right here, you can see that there was a retraction and then it came down. Right here, you can see that it also hit 135. Now, the big question is this: are you going to sell or are you going to hold? The idea of holding the coin or the idea of selling the coin all depends on you. but one of the best methods you can actually do is to hold the coin. Once the Pi Network lists, the first thing that's going to happen is what we call the pump and the dump. A lot of people, due to the fact that Pi has taken a lot of time to launch, there's a whole lot of people that have lost hope and a lot of people who do not trust the network anymore. So this kind of people are those people who are going to actually sell off their Pi coin from the word jump. There are other people who are waiting to buy up or mop up these coins from those willing to sell their Pi coin. So once they start selling their Pi coin, these whales are going to buy them up, mop them up, and then sell at a higher rate later. Once the Pi Network is launched, it's going to pump at a high price. And once it pumps at a high price, it's obviously going to dump down. A lot of people are going to sell off their coins. So when they do that, the price of this coin is going to fall down. Remember, there's a whole lot of people that have bought this coin, holding it and waiting. Selling at that point will give you profit, but is it worth the profit you're looking for? Or holding the coin till when the price stabilizes and starts growing, that's when you now start selling your Pi coin. Is that a better option? Now, if you had listened to me properly, you would have guessed what I am talking about. This is not financial advice. This is just me saying which of these options is the one that you're going to follow. For those of you who are not mining the Pi Network, or for those of you who are mining but are looking for ways to make more money, there's a way to take advantage of the pump and dump. There's a way to actually make money from the situation when everybody starts dumping their coins. Now, this method is simple, but it is technical. This is not financial advice. So what I'm going to do is, those of you that have joined the Telegram group, I'm going to share this information with you. And if you need to know more and know exactly how you can implement this strategy when the Pi Network launches, find the link in the description of this video. Join the Telegram group. I'll be sharing the detail on the 19th of January this month, a day before the launch. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video, keep mining.